How to use Proton VPN. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Search Proton VPN and install the app. After you've installed the app, simply open the app. You'll find this kind of screen. There are two options: continue as guest, from which you won't have to log in, or sign in if you already have an account. I'm simply going to press on continue as guest. After that, it will open this page. Here, click on connect, and then you will be connected to one of the fastest free server. You'll find this kind of screen. It's connected. If you want to disconnect, you can disconnect from here or change server if you want to change. After you do this, you can simply use other apps with this VPN. This is how to use Proton VPN. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.